sexism or homophobia. Fruit of the loom definitely had a cornucopia. Memory playing tricks like the Mandela effect. Saw Bigfoot moonwalking and I said that's correct. My fit so fresh it got expiration dates. Stepping out clean like dishwasher plates. I talk to my chips like I'm a stock investor. Crispy futures but my bag looking fresher. Google Maps told me that I went off the route. I said nah man, I'm just finding clout. My car so fast you got motion blur. Even the hare said that's absurd. My wrist game nasty like gas station sushi. Your check got bounced and all you could say was oopsie. Siri told me you gotta chill, I asked for the solution. She said your outfit's so loud it's causing noise pollution.